Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to redeem gift card on HelloFresh on your PC. Also, if you are new to our YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any other tutorials like this. HelloFresh is a popular subscription service for meal kits with pre-measured ingredients and easy to follow recipes at home. To redeem gift codes on HelloFresh on your PC, first open any web browser on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now on the search bar type hellofresh.com. Then you will be taken to HelloFresh website. First, make sure that you are logged into your account before we move on with the further process. Then click on account at top right side. Then click on gift card at down side. Now you can see gift card section of the website. You can also buy gift card from here. Click on redeem gift card box. Then you need to enter the gift card code on enter code box. Make sure you have physical or e-gift card with you. Now click on redeem at side. Then continue the further process. With this, you'll be able to redeem HelloFresh gift card online. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.